Power tool batteries. Not the most exciting things in the world. That's a Milwaukee 18 volt impact. Those are DeWalt batteries. Everyone knows those don't fit in there, except for the fact they actually do. You just do that. Absolutely fine. Thing is, there's not a huge amount of difference between that, and all the terminals line up. So all you have to do is a very, very little bit of trimming along here in order to make it fit. So if we measure that, we will find it is 46.1 millimeters. If we measure that, we'll find it's probably something completely different. 46.8, and this is the unmodified one, 49.9. The reason I've got two DeWalt batteries but no DeWalt drill is because the DeWalt drill let all the magic smoke out. So I'm not going to be getting any more DeWalt stuff because, well, yeah. So that's DeWalt batteries in Milwaukee kit. The other thing is Bosch 10.8/12 volt stuff. This is a Bosch 12 volt drill. Says so right there. This is a Bosch 10.8 volt impact. This is a Bosch 10.8 volt screwdriver. This is a 2007 vintage. I bought this secondhand while I was at uni and it's brilliant. I love it. Batteries from 2009, 2010 still work absolutely fine. 10.8 volt battery, 12 volt power tools. You know, they're 12 volt battery, 10.8 volt power tool. What Bosch has done is just rebranded 10.8 to 12. Now, if you do 18 divided by 5, which is what's in one of these, it's 5 18/650s, times by 3, which is what's in one of these, you get 10.8. So quite how they can claim that's an 18 and that's an 18 and that's a 12. This is correct. It's 10.8 if you're going by the same ratings as these ones. That's just a load of complete rubbish. But hey, so you can fit a 10.8 in a 12 or a 12 in a 10.8, and with a little bit of judicious trimming, you can fit one of these in one of those. All good stuff.